What's good, everyone? This is Chris A back here with another house tour, but we're here in McKinley Village in East Sac, and I'm gonna wear my mask, so I'm gonna talk kind of loud. But all you have to do is be a subscriber to win a Amazon gift card giveaway and leave a comment. Let's just get straight into it because this home is amazing. Look at this gorgeous house. Oh my goodness. Now let's go take a look. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, almost 2,500 square feet here in McKinley Village here in East Sacramento. And with McKinley Village, it's a newer community within the established East Sacramento. But welcome to this beautiful home now. Look at this formal dining room area, engineered hardwood floors, plantation shutters. My goodness. And honestly, I'm not even gonna talk for most of this. I'm gonna just let y'all witness. Look at this kitchen, an open floor plan. Man. With the 2 chandelier lights, recessed lighting, huge island. Got mask, wipes, sanitizer. Beautiful plant in the middle, nice centerpiece. Oh, look at that backsplash. I've always said that I've loved the cabinets with the black finishes, as you can see right here. My goodness. Now you got the farmhouse sink right there. With the stainless steel appliances, as you can see. Man. Goodness. Just beautiful. Move out here to where you drop into the garage with some more lighting, recessed lighting on the outside. Nice neighborhood, super quiet, very peaceful neighbors. And then when you come out, you can drive into here, drive right into the garage. Amazing. Can you imagine walking into this? This is heavenly. And if you look up, you got your speakers built in already. Look at that. Now you got your office over here with the barn door. I'm gonna show you here in a second. With more sliding doors to the backyard. Look, did some work done in here. You see that barn door? Amazing. Ooh. Quiet time, work time, hustle time, all the time. All right. And this door in here leads into the garage. It's a 2-car garage. Not gonna go inside there because some of the cellar stuff is in there. Look at this. Speaker right there. Furniture right here. You got your fan right there as well, as well as the recessed lighting. Excuse me. Just in shock. You got our nice floodlights on. And not a big backyard. Small enough, so low maintenance. And then the grass is actually turf. So that way, even less maintenance. Come back around here real quick. That just leads out to the driveway, to the garage. Let's go back in. And now let's go upstairs. We haven't gone upstairs yet. Beautiful cabinetry. And over here you got your cloak closet, and you also got your first bathroom, which is your half bathroom. Turn it on. Super clean, beautifully well done. Amazing. All right. A special shout out to Melissa Williams from Dunnigan Realtors. This is her listing. Let's go upstairs. Look at this. This flooring is just beautiful. So we're going to the first bedroom. Super nice, super clean. The home is only a couple years old, that's why, super nice, super clean. But still though, still amazing. It looks like a model home. And that is impressive. And over here, you got your laundry. Cut on the light real quick. Washer dryer by Electrolux. Premium laundry. With some nice cabinetry again. And over here is your connected bathroom. Take a look in here. And that leads into the next bedroom. Custom doors, chrome finishes. And by the way, I will wipe all this down too after. Bathroom with the subway tile in the tub. Amazing. I don't even know what other way to say other than amazing. You see that again? Then we're on to the next bedroom. Nice size closet. Man, whoever designed this though, A1 for that. You need a golden ticket from Willy Wonka because this is definitely amazing. This is definitely amazing. Now over here is the hallway from the stairs that come back over here. I got another patio. Looking out here to the driveway. And that's the master over there. We'll go over there in just a second. We can just chill right here. Have a nice coffee. Have a nice wine. All of that. And like I said, this is a new community here in East Sac called McKinley Village. Let's go outside. Now as we get into the hallway, you can see me. Hello, hello. This is our junior master suite. Master bedroom, excuse me, leading to the master suite. Another good sized closet. You can put a full size bed in here, possibly a queen. Yeah, you can fit a queen in here. Yeah. Look at this tile though. Wow. Quartz countertop. Black finishes. It's nice cabinets. Ooh, I like the lighting. Well, you can't see it. And once again, we got our subway tile in the bathroom, in the bathroom tub. But this tile is a little bit bigger than the previous one. And then watch me see the master. And you let me know if you see a difference too. All right. Let's come back out here. Me again. A couple of towels, cabinets. For ya. I like that though. Look at this. I like it a lot. These designs are amazing. Last but not least, the master bedroom. And look at this. Told you, the subway tile gets even bigger. Gotta brighten it up for you. Look at this shower. Jeez. Some people want tubs, but me, I personally don't really take baths. We can just take showers. So this is perfect. And I even have a place to sit too. Man. Once again, countertops, quartz, black finishes, the nice cabinets. Beautiful design. Look out to your backyard with the nice lights. Bathroom right here. Amazing. With the mountains. Nice. Okay. Closet's pretty big. We're not gonna go in there just because, you know, she has her stuff in there. Sorry. Look at this. So it's like living in a hotel, okay? Just peaceful, tranquil, amazing. If you think your kid's gonna sneak out, you can pop over here to the window. Let's see if they're really sneaking out. And it does have a built-in security system too. So you'll know. Okay, everyone, that is it for a home tour here in East Sac. Please let me know what you thought about this home in the comments. I am dying to see what you thought. Me, I absolutely love the home. And if you love content like this, you're going to subscribe here and also watch some more of these videos. Y'all take care, stay blessed, stay safe. Have a good one.